Morning, everybody. We're in a place here called Frederick, Maryland today, doing a roof replacement. Every so often we run into a home that has what we call a Mansard roof, and that's kind of like, if I can point to it here, is where you see our guys working on the face of the roof here. So it has shingles there, so we're going to be, as you can see, us removing the shingles there, and then we'll go back with new underlayments and new shingles as the same way that we do it on the regular portion of the pitched roof. So yeah, that's what you see us doing here today. We'll take another picture of it and let you see how it turned out. And thank you.